So, this is me looking at y'all. I'm looking at you. This video is for you, okay? All we're really taking care of is like the very outlying hairs. Everything else we kind of just leave it as it is. You know, I already have an idea of what my brow shape is. You know, starts here, it's fair, gets a little bit thicker here, and then it's kind of a little bit sparser as we get towards the tail, okay? The only thing we're gonna do is just get these outliers. That's about it. Okay, so after that part, just go over the top just a little bit, just to get some of those like little scraggly ones. And that's it. Yeah, just a minor clean, you know, I'm not trying to shape it up too much or anything. So we'll just do the other side and that's it. If you don't want to do that, then, you know, your prerogative. Again, short hair, wear it how you want to. I'm just telling you what I do because that's just how I like to live my life. That's how I like my eyebrows to look. Last thing, make sure you're under plucking. You know, you don't want to like you don't want to clean up your brows too much to where they look really thin or you look really goofy, or you don't want to change the shape of your natural brow to where you look completely different after you've had your brows done. Go to someone at a salon and just get your eyebrows threaded. It's a little painful, but it's not unbearable. It's not giving childbirth, of which y'all wouldn't know nothing about anyway. Most of you would know. And so just have them do it so that way when you want to clean up your brows, all you have to do is get some tweezers and kind of just go along, because you'll see where those short hairs that are growing back in from when you've had them threaded, you can use that as a guide to just kind of keep your brows in check. After you've done that, you should be okay. I like how my brows look. They look pretty natural. They're just, you know, you just got the outsides clean. If you want to take this a step further, again, this is completely optional, but you can bring out brow pencil. I have all these little things at Sephora. I don't know. I just went in there and said, do you guys have something that you can use to fill in your brows? And you know what? This dude conned me because he got me this Dior stick that was $35. I was like, do you have something a lot cheaper? I'm on a budget. I'm not wearing this stuff every day. They have, the one I'm using is by Anastasia, Beverly Hills. It was about $20 or so, which is better than $35, and it's lasted me a pretty long time. And you can see I've sharpened this one down pretty significantly. I got that. The sharpener is sold separately, but it's a regular pencil size, so if you have a pencil sharpener at home, use that. But it is going on your face, so you may want to think about if you want what's in that pencil sharpener to go on your face. That's what I mean. What I would typically do, and what I've seen on the YouTubes, so the end of your nose, because you know as black people we got these wide noses, that's where you want to start filling in. So boom, and then the top of your arch, which should be the line from the edge of your nose through your iris and up to your eyebrow should be the arch like I've done, and then it should end from the outside of your nose, corner of your eye, that should be where the tail of your eyebrow is. So use those as basic guides and you just go from there. And then this one has a spoolie on the end, this little brush. Right, chill, you just use that, blend it out, brush your hairs a little bit. So, I mean, it's not too drastic of a thing. All this does is just fill in like the sparse areas. Alright, tell this one going too much. Let's do this real quick. Dab on, dab. And then again, use your spoolie. Now, thing to remember, word of caution. Your eyebrows, they brothers, alright? They ain't twins, so they ain't gonna look exactly the same, and not much of anything in human nature is, or in nature in general, is completely identical. So don't worry if they look funny. They gonna look like that, but that's it. So right brow, left brow, that's the brows. So yeah, that's it. So that's how I do my brows. A little tweezing with some tweezers and a little bit of filling in with this brow pencil. Obviously you can take this up more if you want to, or it can make it less. If you want to go the whole extra mile and use some highlighter and be all MAC cosmetic makeup artist professional on people, do that if you want to go all the way into that realm. But you know, I don't do that most often. I just use this to add a little bit of extra on my thing. But yeah, that's it. So, you know, if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comments, questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like subscribing to this channel, I think you should. There's some good information on here that I would like y'all to know. And you know, what else? Oh, if you want this hair, it's just a 2-strand twist. That's all. I just pulled it back. I'm trying to curl my hair because of reasons, and I also just retwisted my hair like yesterday and today. I actually went to work yesterday and CrossFit this morning with half my hair done because. And if you guys want to either tweet me a picture of your brows after you've done a tutorial, or hit me up on Instagram at Unloc'd, that would be great. Definitely do that so I can make sure you guys' brow game is unlocked, okay? We need to help each other out. We need to raise each other up, okay? So we're gonna raise some brows and we're gonna raise each other up, okay? Well, anyway, until next time, until I see y'all in 2 weeks, I guess, or whenever this is. I don't know. We might do another video. I don't know. But anyway, all right, until next time, y'all. Peace.